Hello, second grade friends, and welcome to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we're going to be rolling for minutes in our 5 minutes a day calendar collector. Let's go ahead and have a look at how I've updated the collection for our last few days of school. Take a moment to look at our collection on our Rolling for Minutes record sheet. Think about anything you might notice that changed. You may have noticed that I filled in 2 more times on our clocks. You may also have noticed that I filled in more groups of 5 minutes on our collection clock right here. You may also have noticed that we have some purple groups and a green group and some more purple groups. Now, when we collected our first group of 5 minutes, we rolled our dice and we had a group of 5 minutes that was 25 minutes. So we changed our time to 2:25. On Thursday, I rolled our dice to update our collection, and I rolled one group of 5 minutes on the dice that was 5 minutes. That changed our time 5 minutes ahead to 2:30. I colored that group in green so we could see the different number of groups that we shaded in. You'll use a different color today when you collect your minutes too. On Friday, I rolled our dice. It's still there. I got 2 groups of 5 minutes. That's 10 minutes. 2 groups of 5 minutes is 10 minutes altogether. That changed our time to 2:40. So we have 2 more groups of 5 minutes collected right here. We'll update this in your student book in just a moment. First, we need to collect our minutes for today. So let's go ahead and make sure our clock is set at the right time. Oh, perfect. What time does our clock read? Now, you may have said that our clock reads 2:40. It reads 2:40 because we've collected 8 groups of 5 minutes, and our hour hand is in between the 2 and the 3. So let's see what our new time will be after we roll our dice today to collect more minutes. Let's roll our dice. We're going to collect 2 more groups of 5 minutes. Just so we remember, I'm going to throw in my 2 right here. Now, if I'm collecting 2 groups of 5 minutes, how many minutes am I collecting? If you said 10 minutes, you're correct. That's the same amount of minutes we collected on Friday. What time should I write my clock for? Let's go back to our Judy clock and have a look. If we're adding 2 groups of 5 minutes, where will our minute hand land? Let's check. Now we know when we go from one number to the next number on our clock, that's 1 group of 5 minutes. We're at the 8, so we've already collected 8 groups of 5 minutes. 8 groups of 5 minutes altogether is 40 minutes. So we'll start at 40 and count by 5s. Count with me. 40, 45, 50. We added 2 groups of 5 minutes and landed on the 10. Our clock now reads 2:50. Now it's your turn to fill in your Rolling for Minutes record sheet. You will need your Number Corner student book. It's blue on the top and white on the bottom. You'll need a pencil, and you'll actually need 2 crayons today. You'll need the same color crayon you used before on Wednesday and a different color crayon. Then you'll open your student book to page 17, where it says Rolling for Minutes record sheet on the top. When you're ready, we can fill in all of the groups we've collected and 2 more groups of 5. We know that our time is now 2:50. Let me fill that in on our picture right here. There we go, we're all filled in. Now it's your turn to finish filling in your clock just like this. When your clock or your record sheet looks like mine, take a picture and show your teacher. You have work to do. See you next time for Number Corner.